Hey, what's up guys, my name is Ball6David and today I want to show you how to create a new Steam account. There are several ways how to do that. So first you must have Steam installed. If you don't have that installed already, you have to go to store.steampower.com, Steam official website, and from here you'll have a button install Steam, and if you press again on this one, you'll get Steam downloaded. Also from here you can sign into your account. Come on, can you leave please? Thank you. You have the login button right here. Once you have Steam installed, because I don't have to download that because I have that already, from here you can create an account very easily, and I will do that with you on this video. So you'll have here a button. Don't have a Steam account, create a free account. I'll press on that one, and let me type one of my email addresses. I will go with this one, alexweb2022@aol.com. Copy that, confirm your email address, select your country here. I'm not a robot, you'll have to take a quest. So this is a fire hydrant, 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 I guess. Let's take another test, damn it. So I will just have to select cars. That's a bus. I will select that. That's a vehicle. No, it's not. Okay, let's deselect that. It's a bus, it's not a car. And yeah, you have to select all this, read that, privacy and policies, agree with that, and press continue. I will select that I am older than 16 years old. I'll go with this one, and they will have to verify this. Let me get on my email address on the phone to see. I may have to get a code from that one. Where are the emails? Here, AOL selected. And I will press on my phone on verify my email address. Email verified. All right, it's great. Now let's set a name. What name should I create? Alex Web as my email address is. Choose a password. Okay, this will be my password. This will be my password. Not available. 2022. Can I have it now? Available. Thank you. Let's press on done, and that should be new account created successfully. Please close this window and continue. Okay, let's continue. I may have to sign in. You can also add some security, enable the Steam Guard or something. That will help to increase the security just in case. Come on. Okay, then I'll have to sign in just in case somebody will break into your account. It's very good to have. So I will leave a video at the end of this video on the screen so you can see how you can enable the Steam Guard, and every time a new device sign in into your account, you'll receive a code on the email address or either on the app on the smartphone, and you'll have to type the code there instead of logging in. Even if you type the correct password, you can choose between the smartphone or the email verification. And I'm just back I just signed in into the account that I created. Now guys, I don't want to keep you any longer than is needed. I really hope I helped you with this tutorial. If I helped you, don't forget to smash the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to my channel for more guides. I want to wish you one more thing. Have the greatest day you can have.